Hey guys, Spencer here, and I'm excited to show you what the top 5 VCRs are to buy. We made a top 10 of this in the past, but we wanted to update it and shorten it to a top 5. In an effort to show you what the best 5 VCRs are that you can still buy, we did some research and considered a few different things. To complete the extensive research process, we bought and sold hundreds of VCRs just so that we can have hands-on experience and hear what our customers have to say about them. After finding out which ones resulted in the most happy customers, we considered a few different things. The first is overall reliability. The second is the price. We didn't want to include anything on this list that was too expensive since VCRs can cost thousands of dollars. The third consideration is the functionality. All of the VCRs on this list serve their purpose the best. Some are best for standard playback, while others offer capabilities such as HDMI 1080p up conversion or VHS to DVD recording. Let's get it started. For the number 1 VCR, we have the Panasonic PVD4744S. Panasonic is known for making products with impressive longevity. If you want to play VHS and would like the option for DVD playback, this is your device. This specific model has had the fewest problems. They tend to already fully function when we get them, and they last an eternity. This one easily deserves the top spot. In the number 2 spot, we have the Magnavox DV220mw9. It offers a quiet black design, perfect for modern settings. Just like the Panasonic, it does have VHS and DVD playback. A good reason for getting this one would be its size. It is as small as DVD VCRs come. Number 3 is the Toshiba DVR620. This machine is fully loaded with features. There are 2 main reasons to get this one. One is that you have a TV with just HDMI connectivity. Most VCRs won't be compatible with a TV like that, but this one will. It also offers 1080p up conversion for your DVDs. It won't upscale your VHS tapes, but it will make them look slightly better when connected through HDMI. The other reason this device is great is that it can record VHS tapes to DVD. It won't work with commercial tapes, but it will for recorded tapes. The number 4 VCR is the Panasonic PV-V4620. As far as standalone VCRs go, this one is the best. It comes with hi-fi stereo, which is a crucial feature, and the high quality experience that Panasonic continues to deliver. Last but not least, the number 5 VCR is the Sony LVD380P. I'm sure you expected to see Sony on this list, and there's a reason for that. Sony is known for reliable and user-friendly products, and this VCR meets those expectations and more. Those were the 5 best VCRs. We selected 3 DVD VCR combo units just because those are what are purchased the most. Then we included 1 standalone VCR just because sometimes you don't want a 2-in-1. Then we included a VHS to DVD converter with HDMI just in case you wanted to record VHS to DVD or wanted to use it with your smart TV. You can find the blog post for this on our website. It includes 5 additional VCRs for you to check out. We'll also be sure to keep all 5 of these in stock just so you can always get one from us. You can find them on our website at SpenCertified.com, or you can give us a call using the phone number in the description. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.